Scipy Imsave saves wrong values. I'm trying to write code that will produce disparity maps using numpy and Scipy, but the values that I store in my numpy array for my images are completely different from the values that are actually showing up in my output images, saved with miscellaneous Imsave. For example, in the array, none of the values are greater than 22, but in the image, I have a full range of values from 0 to 255. I thought that perhaps Imsave was stretching the values so that the max value showed up as 255 in the image, but I have other images created with Imsave that have a max below 255. These are the functions I'm using to create my disparity maps, given two PGM images that have been shifted along the x-axis. Ignore the sad store return values. I have ensured that these are not affecting my current process. This is the code I'm using to get my output. As it current is, nothing in DISP12im should be as greater than 23. If I run a for loop to check this on the array, this remains true. However, if I load the saved image and run that same for loop on the values, I get tons of numbers over 23. What am I doing wrong?
The data gets rescaled when the type of the array is changed from np.float64, the data type of DISP12im, to the 8-bit values stored in the image. To avoid this, convert your image to data type np.uint8 before giving it to Imsave. For example, I'll save this X as a PGM image. Save X unaltered, and then read it back. The values have been scaled up to the full 8-bit range. Instead, convert X to np.uint8 before saving, and then read it back.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.